Welcome all the students of class 6th who have just come from class 5th to 6th. Today I shall be starting with you the first chapter of your English literature book. And the name of the chapter says Learn with Patience, मतलब धैर्य के साथ सीखें। मतलब इसको हम दूसरी भाषा में ये कह सकते हैं कि हर चीज़ का अपना सीखने का एक समय होता है, तो जब वह समय आए तभी हमें उन चीज़ों को सीखना चाहिए। हो सकता है कि जल्दी उन काम को करने से हमें हानि पहुँचे। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द रीडिंग. I shall be reading out the chapter to you and you will be repeating after me. Okay? Once there lived a boy named Rajkumar. He lived in a district named Ganeshpur. His father had a car workshop. He was very innovative and always wished to do more than he could. He used to help his father in various mechanical works. As the time passed, Rajkumar grown into a teenager. In 1968, when he was 16 years old, he wished to drive a car. A gentleman named Mr. Anthony used to come to his father's car workshop. He was one of the friends of Rajkumar's father. He owned a jeep. He used to get his jeep serviced from the father of Rajkumar. One day, Rajkumar came to Mr. Anthony and asked him if he could drive his jeep. Mr. Anthony was very much amazed listening to this from Rajkumar, as he was just 16 years old. Mr. Anthony thought deeply and then he said to Rajkumar, "Please come and sit on the driver's seat." Rajkumar jumped into the driver's seat and held the steering with full enthusiasm. Mr. Anthony asked him to reverse the jeep and then drive it ahead and bring it in its same position. Rajkumar applied the reverse gear and reversed the car for some distance. Then he applied the first gear, moved the jeep ahead, and brought it back into its same position. Mr. Anthony was amazed to see that a boy of just 16 years old handled the jeep so perfectly. He patted Rajkumar on his back and said, "Well done, boy." One day, Rajkumar saw his father's ambassador car standing in front of the workshop. He quickly picked up the keys of the car and sat on the driver's seat. He started the car, applied the first gear, and moved towards the road. In those days, there was very less traffic on the road, so Rajkumar was enjoying the ride. He gradually increased the speed. Suddenly, he saw a lady with a child crossing the road. Rajkumar got confused between the brakes and the escalator of the car. In this confusion, he became hopeless and pressed the escalator instead of brakes. As car got sudden high speed, Rajkumar quickly turned the steering towards right side to save the lady and the child. He closed his eyes for a second while he was doing this. He was sure that he must have hit the child who was walking with that lady. He stopped the car at some distance far from that place. He looked back and saw that both the lady and the child were safe. He took a deep breath and felt relaxed. After that day, he promised himself that he would not drive the car without proper training. Okay, students, I have finished reading this. You will be reading this at your place, and your homework for today is to mark all the difficult words in the chapter, like this: innovative, mechanical, teenager. Okay, so all the words that you find are difficult for you, you will be writing all of them in your notebook, English notebook. Okay, and will also be learning the spelling of all these difficult words. Okay, that's all for your class. In next class we will be doing the explanation of this chapter. Okay, so be prepared with the difficult words. Thank you, students.